Are you struggling with saving or updating documents in Mongoose? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question that many developers face. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you're trying to manage your database and things just don't seem to work as expected. You're definitely in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, is there a nice way of either saving or updating a document in Mongoose? They provided a code snippet that shows their struggle. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's the issue here? Mongoose provides methods for saving and updating documents, but sometimes it can feel a bit clunky. Understanding how to streamline this process is key to effective database management. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will make your Mongoose experience even smoother. To save or update a document in Mongoose, the user can utilize the find one and update method. This method allows for both saving a new document and updating an existing one in a single operation. First, the user should define the schema for the campaign model. This schema will outline the structure of the documents in the MongoDB collection. Next, the user can implement the save or update functionality. They can use the find one and update method, passing in the criteria to find the document, the new data, and options to create a new document if none exists. Finally, the user should handle the response from the database. This includes checking for errors and sending the appropriate response back to the client. Fun fact, Mongoose is named after the small, agile animal that can adapt to various environments. Just like Mongoose, you can adapt your code to handle different scenarios. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution is to use MongoDB's find and modify function, which is supported in Mongoose through find one and update. This method allows you to update a document or create a new one if it doesn't exist by using the upsert option. Here's that tip I promised. Consider using the upsert option in your update methods. This allows you to create a new document if no document matches the query, making your code more efficient. And there you have it. You now know how to save and update documents in Mongoose effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy coding!